I'm just going to preface this video before I get comments about my health. Yes, I look 100 years old in this video. I didn't realize the lighting was so bad, but just letting you all know, I am just about healthier than ever, as a matter of fact, healthier than I've been in years. I've gone through different health problems with my stomach and gut over the last few years, which have actually been totally miraculously healed at this point. So I look old in this video. Just, you're going to have to deal with it. But nonetheless, it was an exciting product to review, so I hope you enjoy it. Hello everybody, welcome back. I want to show you this cool little hydroponics center that you could grow all kinds of things in. I am going to use this specifically for our kitchen herbs and then different propagations that we have going on throughout the seasons, because I'm sure you know just as well as me, there's never enough places to propagate our plants indoors. This is AhopeGarden brand. I will have the link in the description below, of course, if you'd like to support our mission to end world hunger. That's ultimately what I'm trying to do on this channel here as we reach more and more people throughout the world, and this thing expands into something a little bit bigger than just you and me. This garden is super incredible because of how much stuff they got packed into this single package right here. I'm going to turn it on, turn off the water pump because I don't want it to burn out or anything. Water is not going in there right now. And then I'm going to open it up and show you all the different cool stuff that they have included in here. So let's open it up and show you everything that comes in the package as is. So first off, these are all the different sections you can grow your plants in. So we've got 8 different cubes plus the watering one. I guess if you wanted to do that, you could. But inside, they have all of the sponges needed for your seeds. So this will be the actual sponge that'll grow the roots. The trays, the plastic trays that they go into. So just to demonstrate exactly how this is done, just like this. And then you're going to pop your seed right in there. Super, super easy. It literally, it doesn't get any easier than this, folks. Then we've got all these cool little knickknacks. Some more little cups here. Some plugs in case you aren't using every single one. Little stickers for labeling your plants. And then these bigger ones right here. So these pins also for labeling purposes. So they do a really good job right off the bat of making sure that you're going to stay organized as a gardener. So let's get all this stuff back in and show you the 2 coolest things that they include. My son and I are going to make a video very soon on actually planting this thing out too. So he made sure that I didn't do it without him, so he's going to be part of that video, taking the cuttings and actually growing the seeds and plants that will be inside of this thing. So one of the greatest things that they include in this, I think, is the plant food. So with hydroponics, since it's not an aquaponics center, we're going to need plant food, right? So if you were growing in an aquaponics center, you've got the fish waste, and that's ultimately going to be what feeds your plants. But with a hydroponics center, we could grow our plants in just water, but they're ultimately only going to do so well. But this company also thought about including plant food right off the bat. So that's got potassium, nitrogen, phosphate, magnesium, boric acid, and some micronutrients as well. So this will be what you need to grow your plants and grow your plants very well. Granted, if you're growing herbs and stuff, typically they will do okay, but honestly, having this included is huge. It's just a really, really big benefit to be able to feed your plants right off the bat. Basically, this entire package is all ready for you to start growing your seeds, your propagations, whatever it might be. You don't need to purchase anything else to get this thing started. It's got a couple of cool little features as well. If you're growing flowers or vegetables, this is the flower setting. This is the vegetable setting. I'm probably going to have it on this for all of my herbs. Another really cool thing about this is that it's automatically going to turn its light on and off. It's got a built-in timer, so you don't have to worry about going and setting up your own timer or turning it on and off throughout the day. You would just turn it on and it's automatically going to function. And also there's a water pump that is going to circulate your water, aerate those roots nice and healthily as well. So again, I shouldn't have to say it over and over again, but this is an all-in-one package right here. Very affordable, and it's a cool, great way to grow different types of herbs and plants inside of your kitchen or inside of your home. And I also think it's really cool for kids, for families, because you can lift this thing up. I'm sure you'll see it in our update video if you stick around. You can lift this thing up and see all of these roots that have been growing inside of this vat of water. So it kind of piques curiosity in children. And to be honest, it piques curiosity in me too. So that's why I love stuff like this so much. I love tech, I love gadgets, and if I can get more and more into this kind of video, I would do these all day long because I'm all about advancing people's creativity with gardening. So I think tech has a big part of that, and little things like this can definitely add up to big things over time. So we are going to be getting some bigger hydroponic centers as we grow, but right now, this is an incredible way to start and to show my son how to do it and teach him how to do it before we invest into something larger than this. I've had these in the past and they've worked out great. I absolutely love them. So again, the link is in the description below. I'll give you a couple of quick shots here as we check out, but I really appreciate it and thank you all so much for the support. Stay tuned for the update videos because just like with everything, I try and update you on all of the crazy stuff that we got going on in our garden. This being our latest edition, and then we got a couple of new products here to test out within the month of February as well. So stay tuned. I want to thank you all so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it beyond belief. I mean, you guys just can't imagine how much this means to me. So truly, truly grateful. I hope you all are having an incredible day. Have an incredible week and get growing and gardening no matter what time of the season it is. There's always something to do. I tell you what, I am so busy all the time. It's incredible that I'm able to do as much as I can for you all. So I hope you appreciate it. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next episode.